So today's cake is a Jack Daniel's barrel cake. Not filled with Jack Daniel's, unfortunately. Or should I say, fortunately, it's filled with yummy cake. So we've got vanilla sponge with white chocolate ganache, jam and vanilla buttercream in the middle. And then topped off with these mini Jack Daniel's bottles. Decorated in fondant icing, some edible paint and edible print. And then the ice cubes are Fox's Glacier Mints, which work wonders if you ever want to recreate ice cubes on a cake that are edible. And happy 70th on the board. It's a bit rough around the edges with the painting, but that's kind of the look I was going for, because it's an aged barrel, a bit scruffy. But all in all, a success.